Familiarize yourself with the 2011 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. It features an automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, and a powerful 8-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized comfort and style by including front and rear reading lights, one-touch window functionality, a rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, and cruise control. Chevrolet also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, a security system, OnStar, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.